बेसिकली जो आज का टॉपिक रिलेटेड है आपका क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विस ऑफ मोबाइल डिवाइसेस में या मोबाइल कंप्यूटिंग के अंदर क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विस कैसे सिग्निफाई करता है, ये क्वेश्चन आपको दिया भी हुआ है। तो क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विस को समझते हैं और उसको देखते हैं। बेसिकली क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विस का मीनिंग है कि कोई भी आपको डिवाइस है, कुछ भी है, तो वो कैसे पर्टिकुलर इंफॉर्मेशन आपको प्रोवाइड करा रहा है यूज़र के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से। जो भी यूज़र यूज़ करने वाला है डिवाइस को या कंप्यूटिंग के लिए, तो उसको किस तरह से बेनिफिट वो प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, वो आपका क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विस सिग्निफाई करता है। बेसिकली जो
सर आज टेस्ट लेंगे क्या? गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
हाँ हाँ, गुड मॉर्निंग मॉर्निंग, लास्ट में है।
ओके सर, ठीक।
तो क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विस को हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विस क्या के रिगार्डिंग मोबाइल कंप्यूटिंग में क्या होता है। तो क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विसेज को, जिसको QoS के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विस अलग अलग सेक्टर में दी जाती है। वेरियस डायमेंशंस, वेरियस feature area where the quality provided in the computer system, mobile computing, we just discuss later. Mainly quality of service जो राउटिंग, इसको अभी हम थोड़ी बात समझते हैं पहले। क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विस को पहले क्लियर समझ लेते हैं। दिस डायग्राम shows the major service quality dimension. If we want to consider the major services of major area for providing any quality for any system, then these are the main dimensions are, ये बहुत सारे पैरामीटर्स हैं जिसपे हम क्वालिटी किसी भी डिवाइस की, किसी भी मोबाइल कंप्यूटिंग डिवाइसेस की हम लोग देखते हैं। बेसिकली इनके टेंजिबल्स, एश्योरेंस, रिस्पॉन्सिवनेस, सर्विस रिलायबिलिटी, एम्पैथी, these 5 dimensions of providing the quality of service. If you want to provide the quality of service for any device or any system or service, then we must be consider these points. Before discussing the main quality of service for mobile computing, we discuss the what are the various dimensions of the quality of services. Tangible, assurance, responsiveness, service reliability, empathy. These are 5 major dimensions for providing the quality of service. One by one we discuss here. Called the tangible. What is the meaning of tangible? Tangible word, as we know earlier, it includes the physical appearance of the physical service facility, the equipment, the personnel who do the service, the communication. Tangible property क्या है? Tangible property अगर इस डायमेंशन को आप देखते हैं तो ये डिफाइन करता है कि आप किसी हार्डवेयर को, किसी भी डिवाइस को फिजिकली कैसे उसका अपीयरेंस है, हाउ द डिवाइस लुक। जैसे आप मोबाइल खरीदने जाते हैं, सबसे पहले मोबाइल का लुक देखते हैं, कैसा लग रहा है देखने में, तो वो टेंजिबल प्रॉपर्टी है। तो टेंजिबल प्रॉपर्टी या टेंजिबल प्रॉपर्टी डायमेंशंस ऑफ क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विस इंक्लूड दैट फिजिकल अपीयरेंस ऑफ द सर्विस equipment or any personal. If it look like a good, then you proceed for in next dimensions. Example: cleanliness of the environment, personal uniform, vehicle, flight, lots of things. These are the examples of physical appearance. If you want to access want to adopt any service or any item, first you admire with the physical appearance of that particular device. And these first physical appearance includes the cleanness of the environment, personal information, personal uniform, vehicle, flight, size, color, lots of things included in the physical appearance. Then the next dimension which we consider, and this is the also so that the physical appearance shows that the physical services, facility, person, how he communicate with yourself, material, any anything which you want touch and feel. Then we have next dimension is service reliability. Service reliability. What the this dimension says that? What is the service reliability? Service reliability means the differs from the product reliability in that it relates to the ability of the service provider to perform the promised service, dependability and security. After looking your physical appearance of any device, then next quality is service reliability. What the service reliability dimension explain? It signifies that the product reliability in that it relates to the ability to service provider to perform the promised service dependently and accurately. How the services provide your to your customer, how the services provide for you by any device, any service, any computer, आपको किस तरह की सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, वो कितनी एक्यूरेटली प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, सर्विस की डिपेंडेबिलिटी कितनी है, आपकी एक्सेप्टेशन के अकॉर्डिंग है कि नहीं है सर्विसेज, ये सारी सर्विस रिलायबिलिटी में आती है. एग्जाम्पल, अचीविंग डिलीवरी टाइम्स स्टेटेड ऑन द वेबसाइट. इसका मीनिंग ये है कि अगर आप कोई प्रोडक्ट यूज़ कर रहे हैं, सर सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो उसको जब आप रिक्वेस्ट देते हैं तो उसका रिस्पॉन्स कितनी जल्दी आपको मिलता है, ये एक सर्विस रिलायबिलिटी का एग्जाम्पल है. कोई भी ऐप यूज़ करते हैं, अगर उसमें बहुत सारे एड्स आ रहे हो तो आप उसको नहीं इंस्टॉल करते हैं. कोई भी अगर आप मान लिया कि टिकट बुकिंग या कुछ भी ऐसा कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें अगर आप बुकिंग टाइम में या पेमेंट में टाइम लगता है तो आप उस ऐप को नहीं इंस्टॉल करते. सर्विसेज अगर नहीं प्रोवाइड की जा रही हैं रिलायबल तरीके से विद द टाइम ड्यूरेशन और फ्रिक्वेंटली फॉर द यूजर, then service reliability affects. So this is again a major concern for a quality of service dimensions. The third dimension is responsiveness. The third dimension is responsiveness. What this signify? Responsiveness means the willingness of the service provider to be helpful, be prompt in providing services, and to respond to customer requests, problem, or complaint. The responsiveness dimension shows that how service provider, how any device, any computing environment provide the service response to its customer, its user. The timing, accuracy, and efficiency of the response regarding customer request, their problems, their complaint, how these uh, constant solve efficiently by the system for the user. This shows that responsiveness. Again, this is an important dimension for the quality of service. Your system is how responsive is, how it is responsive for yourself. If it is responsible, then you like the system and adopt this. The quality of service also dependent on the responsiveness dimension, the responsiveness feature of any device. Example, the speed of helping customer online or by telephone. This is for the responsiveness. If your customer or user of any software, of any hardware, any mobile device, the first query of customers say that is their service center is there. If I have any problem, then how the customer care service for that item.
सर
Yes, yes.
सर सर नितिन को एंट्री दे दिए सर, उसका रिकनेक्ट हो गया था दोबारा।
Okay, okay, कर देगा। Responsiveness shows that the speed of helping customer online. You you show that I am using this type of this mobile company. If I have any query, then I request in the customer care, and they solve my query within minutes, within hour. And if the customer cares not responds you properly, then you dislike the service of that hardware, that software. This is the responsiveness. How you interact with your customer for their problem, for their complaints, and obviously their service feedbacks. Then next dimension is assurance. Assurance. Assurance means this shows that the knowledge and courtesy of employees and their ability to inspire trust and confidence. Creating trust and confidence will gain the customer loyalty. In this dimension, we show in the quality service, we show that the how any new customer make trust with the new device. Suppose you are a user of Samsung, and if your Samsung launch any new model, then you easily adopt that model because you are already using the Samsung mobile. And if you have a bad experience with the Asus mobile or any other mobile which are newly company, एक नई कंपनी का आपने मोबाइल लिया है और उसको यूज किया, आप उसकी सर्विस से सेटिस्फाई नहीं है, उसके जो कस्टमर रिव्यू आ रहे हैं उससे सेटिस्फाई नहीं है, तो अपने आप आपकी माइंड में मेकअप हो जाएगा कि कोई भी अगर उसका नेक्स्ट नया सेट आता भी है तो आप जल्दी से उसको खरीदने नहीं जाएंगे, क्योंकि आपका जो ट्रस्ट है एक बार नए सिस्टम से, नए मॉडल से, सर्विस से टूट जाता है तो वो इजिली मेंटेन नहीं हो पाता। तो ये अगेन एश्योरेंस कहलाता है कि अगर किसी भी मोबाइल डिवाइस, सॉफ्टवेयर, हार्डवेयर, सर्विसेज, उससे आप सेटिस्फाई हैं, उसकी सर्विस से सेटिस्फाई हैं, उनके प्लान से सेटिस्फाई हैं, उनके फीचर से सेटिस्फाई हैं, आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से फीचर्स मिल रहे हैं, तो आपका ट्रस्ट बनता है उस कंपनी से, उस सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी से, हार्डवेयर कंपनी से, और उसके फ्यूचर प्रोडक्ट को भी आप परचेज करने के लिए you are eager to buy that product. So this is the basic main assurance property, assurance quality of service, which makes the knowledge and courtesy of employee and their ability to inspire trust and confidence. It creates the trust and confidence for creating for a customer loyalty, because your customer is not for single device, single mobile phone, single software. In the future, if you are launching more than one software, more than one devices model, then your old customer, the first one who buy this, because he already have trust with you. And a new customer, as a company, you must firstly create the reliability, trust with the new customer. But the old customer is very first who can you buy and purchase your products. Then it's a major concern with the quality of service. Example, the excellent reputation and high level of trust based on the previous experience with the company. If any company like Apple or any largest company which review are very good, even though it is very costly mobile phone or any not affordable for everyone, but every customer wants to buy that mobile. Why? Because everyone want that the service given by the Apple phone, the Samsung phone, or any Android phone is better than other cheap mobile or cheap hardware software devices, because the company make their wellness, their goodwill among the customer, and this excellent reputation used by the all the customer. Then assurance is the major quality of service for any product or any software, any device. Empathy. What is the empathy? Fifth dimension of quality of service, empathy. Empathy means caring individual, caring individual, attention paid to customer by the service firm to meet each customer demand properly. Even though the company is very large, very big, very large principal, but all the money, all the power of company depends on their customer. And if any company uh, believe that some customers are not properly tackle their services, their complaints, their problems, then it doesn't affect the company reputation. It is wrong. If single customer is dissatisfied, as we know that satisfied customer disseminates the goodwill few people, but a dissatisfied customer disseminates your bad responsibility over thousands of users. So each and every customer is important for any company, any big company or small company. That's why if any small complaint, any service request, any plan request, any portability request, any type of small to small request successfully solved by the company, because each and every customer important for company. This shows the empathy. Empathy means attention paid to the customer by the service firm to meet each customer's demand properly. Each and every customer is important for the company. Example, employee high emphasize on customer requests to achieve higher satisfaction. Every company, even though the company makes hardware, mobile devices, equipments, peripheral, third-party utility, software, gaming, browser, any service product device made by the company, every company wants that customer is satisfied for their services, because as we ultimately know that the customer is a king for business industry. And employee, each and every employee have a high emphasis on the customer to request to achieve higher satisfaction. These five dimensions of quality of services, if concern, if consider, then we find the quality of service for any device. Here I am not interacting with the mobile device. Any service, any software, game, devices, hardware, peripheral, anything. If you want to provide the quality of service, then we must consider the five demand dimension: tangibles, assurance, responsiveness, service reliability, empathy. Now we discuss the what the main major topic for us: quality of service for mobile device, ad hoc network. Our scenario: mobile computing, wireless mobile ad hoc network. For providing the quality of service in the mobile computing, we must consider the limitation of mobile computing. As we know earlier, our wireless mobile ad hoc networks consist of mobile nodes interconnected by wireless multi-hop communication path. As we know, various mobile nodes are connected, interconnected wireless network, multi-hop communication path. In the conventional wireless network, ad hoc network have a no fixed network infrastructure. There is a no fixed network infrastructure in the conventional wireless network, but in the new mobile ad hoc network system, every mobile node interconnection network are well defined. The topology of such network changes must be affected by for the mobile nodes, and mobile nodes are communicating with the help of radio links, and radio links are provide these are the basic limitation. Wireless network, mobile nodes in the ad hoc network, the certain network topology, various type of the protocols are using in the mobile networks. They are dependent on radio frequency. They are working in the disconnected network nature. These limitations are considered in the quality of service of mobile computing. Supporting appropriate quality of service for mobile ad hoc network is a complex and difficult. Providing this quality of service for mobile network is not easy, because here lots of limitation and constraint are there, and these difficult issues are dynamic nature of network topology. Here we have no fix the single network topology. We are using several topologies, because mobile network use a wireless as well as wired connection network in the same network. Several number of dynamic network of the network topologies are available in the mobile computing. This is the major challenge. General impression network state information, active area of research. Uh, these challenges are still area of research for providing the quality of service in the mobile computing. Now, quality of service, which is simply written in here, QoS, capital Q, O small a, S, quality of service. Mechanism controls the performance, reliability, usability of telecommunications service. This line shows that. This is the important line. Uh, Quality of service mechanisms control performance, reliability, and usability of telecommunication service. In the mobile computing, telecommunication services are used. They are uses the cellular network. They depend on the radio frequency bandwidth. So, if we want to provide the quality of service for mobile computing network, then we must consider the performance, reliability, usability of the telecommunication service. Mobile cellular Mobile cellular service provide may mobile QoS to customers just to fix the PSTN services. PSTN public service transmission network services provide internet service provider maybe offer the QoS. The certain QoS services provided by the internet provider for the mobile computing, because these services provided by the subscriber. QoS mechanism provided for circuit switching services, non-elastic services, streaming multimedia is making the consistency in the information sending the database. Network dominated by the services. Mobile communication network uh, uses the certain services provided by the provider. Then mobile adds complication. This question again given to you in a question in your tube sheet. Mobile service implication. Mobile adds complications in the QoS mechanism. What are the various reasons for mobile ads complication? What complication come in while mobile ads are governing in the quality of services? A phone call or other session may be interrupted after a handover. If a phone call other session may be interrupted after handover. If any information stored in the cache or any other thing, then it may be possible if phone call comes, then it interrupt your service. This is the again a complication. A new base station is overloaded. If you are changing the service station or is changing the cell, then new base station services are provided for you. Unpredictable handover make it impossible to give an absolute QoS guarantee during the session initiation phase. If a mobile nodes change mobile user changes the circle or cell, then sometime unpredictable handovers uh, implemented at that mobile node, and it must guarantees the QoS services, quality of services for that particular mobile nodes. This is again a challenge. The pricing structure is often based on the per minute per megabyte. The quality of service is not free. If any subscriber providing you that quality of services, then it must be charged any some extra cost. An extra cost be provided for uh, service handled by the service provider. The pricing structure often based it must be depend on the per minute or per megabyte fee. Flat rate may be different for different content services. This reason, due to this reason, the ultimate customer pay the service for these requests. They in the uh, type of their plans and other. Next, the crucial part of QoS is mobile communication is grade of services, outage probability. Involving outage probability, the probability that the mobile station is outside the service coverage area. Affected co-channel interface, cross-stack. If the services provide in the outside the service area, call outage probability. That the performance measures are affected by the mechanisms such as mobility management, radio resource management, admission control, fair scheduling, channel dependent scheduling. These are various mechanisms used for performance measurements. Factor of affecting the quality of service. What are the major factors of affecting the quality? If you want to consider implement the quality of service in the mobile computing, what are the major factors? The factors of mobile networks are: it is correct to look at quality of service mainly for customer point of view. Each and everything ultimately depend on the customer, because customer is a viewer, customer is user of your service. If you are implementing any of quality of service, then it must consider by the customer point of view. Quality of service judged by the user. It doesn't depend how costly, how technical quality of service provided by the company for devices, for software. It totally depend on the user. If user have a no problem for that services, then it okay, otherwise not. There are standard metrics for QoS to the user that can be measured to the rate of quality of service. Lots of matrices are there, lots of parameters are there for measuring the quality of services. These are the mechanism. The matrices are coverage, accessibility, and audio quality. These are major parameters. Accessibility of the user. If you provide lots of complication, lots of password, a pattern, or a lot of thing for a software, that no one use your application. Coverage, the ultimate reachability of the service. If you want to increase your customer ratio, then you must increase your reachability ratio. Audio quality, Audio quality again, because mobile devices totally shows the audio quality and better resolution in the small area, small screen, better resolution. Audio quality, accessibility, coverage. These are the major concern for the user point of view for any quality of service standard. How they are? In the coverage, the strength of signal is measured using test equipment, size of cell. The services provided by a particular cell according to their traffic, their user requirement, and the strength of signals are appropriate according to the coverage area. Accessibility determines the ability to network to handle successful calls from mobile to fixed network. From mobile to mobile. If user want to call mobile to mobile services, mobile to standalone network, fixed network, then the service is more accessible. Smooth services provide for the customers. Accessibility. The audio quality consider monitoring a successful call for a period of time for the clarity of communication channel. Because mobile nodes, mobile devices are majorly used for calling purpose, video calling, normal calling. Then voice quality is clear, provided by the subscriber. If any subscriber not provide the clear voice quality for calling of a customer, then it not accepted by the customer. All these factors, coverage, accessibility, audio quality, uh, are major concern on the basis of users, telecommunication industry, rate of quality of services of network. These services also considered by the telecommunication industry for services. So uh, now we clear the quality of service uh, for a mobile computing network.